These are the Mora oval serving bowls. They look like the kind of pieces that make a basic dinner feel like you hosted on purpose. There are two sizes, actually useful for real life serving, one for main dish and one for sides. The oval shape gives you more spreading and less piling, so the food looks better on the table. Neutral tones play so nicely with almost any dinnerware, modern farmhouse or mixed sets. Oven and dishwasher safe. I love the trim on the bottom. They nest, which makes it very useful for your cabinets. You can just tuck them away. Would I buy again? Absolutely. I love these. And I always wanted serving pieces that look elevated, but I still get to use them all the time. I find these so useful for salads, roasted veggies, pasta, fruit, any kind of meal where I need a big capacity. Highly recommend this set of two Mora oval serving bowls.